We're about 2 weeks away from the next ECB policy meeting, and I know there's still a lot of data to come in the next 2 weeks. What would you need to see between now and then to be comfortable with another 50 basis point interest rate rise?
So what I would say is, let me reverse the ordering there. We are 2 weeks away. At the last meeting, we outlined that we were essentially going to be very data dependent in making the next decision. What is fair to say, with the passage of time, that some of the banking sector tensions have receded, and by and large the incoming data do confirm that essentially Q1 suggests we are seeing a reversal of the negative supply shocks that so dominated the European economy last year. So easing of bottlenecks, much lower gas prices. So what I would say from all of that is, as of now, 2 weeks away, I think the baseline is that we should indeed increase interest rates in May. But what we do in terms of scale, I'm not going to set up a kind of default number and then say, well, what do I need to say to move away from that default? What I would say is, as you indicated, Stephanie, we have quite a few numbers coming in right before the meeting. The day before the meeting, I think, on the Tuesday of that week, we will have the flash April inflation number. The Friday before, we're going to have the Q1 GDP, which will be very important in understanding in the hard data, the dynamics of the euro area economy. And in terms of our own data work, we will have by then the bank lending survey, and that's the most important survey for us in understanding whether we are indeed seeing further tightening of credit conditions, if you like. And also, from the banks, they will also report what they're seeing from their customers in terms of households and firms. So it really is the case that all of that will feed into the decision in 2 weeks' time. But what I would say is, my baseline is that it will be appropriate to have another hike in May. But exactly what we do, I'm going to wait until we have that data before deciding.